Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to create Snapchat account step by step. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unminute. So first of all, I'm opening my Snapchat application and now I'm clicking on sign up, and here we have to put our first name. So I'm giving my first name here and here my last name, and now clicking on sign up and accept. And here need to add our birth year, and here we have to set our birth information. So I'm giving here a random birth date. Continue. This is a username which provided from Snapchat application, but if I want to create or change this username, so for that I have to click on change my username, and from here I can easily create any type of username like lovers 25, and username is available. So continue, and now I'm giving my password here, and the password should be at least 8 characters. I'm putting here, and we can sign up with our email address. Also we can sign up with our phone number. So right now I'm going to sign up with my phone instead, and I'm giving my phone number here. Continue, and now I'm waiting to get a verification code from Snapchat, and here is the code. Okay, and now if I want to add friends, so I can do it by clicking on continue, but I'm skipping for right now. Also I'm skipping this one. Okay, and then here we can see my account has been created, and if I click on this profile icon upper left hand corner, and here we can see my account has been created. So now I can change anything from my account. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unminute. Thanks for watching this video.